Amag Robin Giliego.
Awog Wilma.
Banuelos Lito Jr. Giliego.
Enciso Armiden Kama.
Relampagos Gerald John Mantis.
Rodriguez Leonardo Calan.
Abbas Jasmine Tongpala.
Banuelos Gigi Malade.
Berin Maria Juliana.
Binondo Lea Mea Cruz.
Lai Mirabeth Karin.
Let's also give a round of applause to our beloved Cluster 7 Principal in Charge, Doc Leia and Panya, together with our guests.
Presenting our faculty and staff.
Once again, let's give a round of applause to our Cluster 7 Principal in Charge, Doc Leia and Panya, together with our guests. Let's also welcome our school head, Sir Marvin P. Atacador. Let's also acknowledge the presence of our guest speaker, Sir Jason Ongona.
Full storage.
Good morning once again.
School Head Marvin A. P. Atacador. A. Atacador. Head Teacher 2 of Dato Ambis Jarog Integrated School that you have satisfied.
To our visitors, guests, parents, graduates, and to my dear completers, good morning. First of all, congratulations to all of us. A new chapter of our life has ended, and it is time to flip the page and start new endeavor. We have completed our journey in junior high school, marking a significant milestone. As we exit, we take a step forward towards senior high school and future ahead. This journey has been filled with the challenges, moments of self-doubts, and sleepless nights. But it has also been one of growth, resilience, and achievement. I am grateful for the lesson learned and every experience that has led me to this milestone. Today, I carry with me a deep appreciation for every person who has played a role in shaping my path. I am incredibly grateful to my family and friends for their unwavering support, encouragement, and belief in me. Inyong presensya ang maong nga kapagadasig kanako para magpadayon. Luyo sa kalisod sa kinabuhi, to our teachers and mentors, daghan kaayong salamat sa inyong wisdom, pasensya, o pag-guide sa amua. Ang inyong mga gipangtudlo kalabaw pa sa among nakatunan, mabasa o makita sa libro. Ang inyong mga maayong buhat kay mao ang nakahulma kung unsa mi karon. Kulang ang istorya nga salamat para sa inyong gipakita nga dedikasyon, passion o kakugi para lang matudloan mi. We appreciate all your efforts, your encouragement, and energy you invested in helping us grow. Your smiles and words of wisdom will remain with us forever. Regardless, all accomplishment, graduation, and moving up is not just a time to celebrate the past, but also a moment to embrace the future. We have left our footprints here, and now it is time for us to shine in new places. With gratitude in my heart, I look forward to the next chapter, carrying with me the lessons, memories, and the support of those who have been part of this journey. Maong karon, makaingon mi nga, andam na mi sa senior high school. Daghan kaayong salamat.
Sa aking pagtatapos, siya'y ika'y tanggapin ang putingan ng tagumpay. Kahit ako'y bata pa, may pangarap din. Nais kong abutin, nais kong abutin. Salamat sa buwan at ako'y binabayan. Sa aming pagdaan, ang pulong ay nananaga. Pinungkot, sulan, nagbasa, nagbilang. Pangalan mabuting dawan, di malilimutan. Sa aming pagtatapos, siya'y ika'y tanggapin ang putingan ng tagumpay. Kahit ako'y bata pa, may pangarap din. Nais kong abutin, nais kong abutin. Salamat sa'yo, inay at itay. Mga kabanato ay inyong binigay. Palaging sa ating Panginoon. Lahat ang oras ay Diyos sana'y kanyang pagkalain. Salamat sa buwan at ako'y binabayan. Sa aling pandan, ang tulong ay
We've come so far on the daily street. Everything's big and the world's so clear. See the highs and lows, the far away. I'm standing at the edge of a brand new day. The land behind me goes so strong. We're ready now where we belong. The future's growing, turns true. The hearts of all the dreams come true. Here's the moment that shapes who we are. Together ahead, we'll chase every star. We're more than ready, the world's in our hands. A new beginning, it's time to stand. To write our story, make it shine. Together forever, across all time. Through the doors we walk, our paths are true. We have courage to be brave, and the strength to hold. We'll face what comes, we'll stand so strong. No matter what I think, I'll go. We'll not be crying, we grow so strong. We're ready now, where we belong. The future's coming, is bright you. We're taking out, we'll see it through. Here's the moment, the change who we are. Together ahead, we'll chase every star. We're more than ready, the world in order. A new beginning, it's time to stand. No matter story, make it shine. Together forever, across all time. This day starts right, we'll rise and fly. And every dream will touch the sky. We learn, we love, we grow. Now we know we will belong. Here's the moment, the change who we are. Together ahead, we'll chase every star. We're more than ready, the world in our hands. A new beginning, we start to stand. Another story, make it shine. Together forever.
Opportunity starts with you. Kay kung dili mo motuo sa inyong kaugalingon nga kaya ninyo buhaton ang mga butang nga inyong ginahuna-huna, mga kung gingon ganina. Kung di ni motuwa nimong kaugalingon, kinsa pa man ang motuo sa imo nga. Kung imong kaugalingon daan imo nang gina-judge nga dili nimo makaya, unsa pa kaya ubang tao sa imo nga? Bantog ang pagbago sa inyong kaugalingon, ang pagbago sa kahimtang sa inyong gikahimtangan karon is ang pagtuo nga kaya ninyo baghuon ang inyong kahimtang karon. Ikaduha, be a doer, not a dreamer. There is a big difference between imagination and action. This sometimes do not correlate and reflect into present. This statement also goes to my assumption na everyone is dreaming. Kamu tanan nga naa-diri, pati atong mga ginikanan nga naa sa atong palibot is dreaming to be a teacher.
Nais kong malaman kay bahagi na ng buhay ko. Nais Mula sa labi ko, salamat, ito'y para sa'yo. Maubos ang mula sa labi ko,
Oy, salamat din. Ben. Thank you, Ben. Thank you, Ben. So, Ben, ito, pagkamunta na yung gayoy. Sige nito. Dito, yata ka Sir Marvin eh. Ben, ikaw na lang, Ben, ha? Yata ka Sir Marvin. Thank you. Thank you kay J. Thank you, J. Lahat taga Mamlaya, please ka, Mamlaya. Please, please ka, Mamlaya. Thank you. Thank you,
ang nabibig ito'y para sa'yo. At kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi, dahil iyong narinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat, salamat.